Good afternoon, friends. You are most welcome to Think Eyes channel. Today we are discussing the current affairs. Our topic is Dhrupad. Dhrupad is the most ancient style of Hindustani classical music that has survived until today in its original form. The nature of Dhrupad music is spiritual. It doesn't seek to entertain but to induce feelings of peace and spirituality in the listeners. It is primarily a form of worship in which offerings are made to the divine through sound or nada and ADA nada. Drupad was initially sung only in the temples, the singer facing the Lord. From this early chanting, Drupad evolved into a sophisticated classical form of music. Characteristics of Drupad: it lays emphasis on maintaining purity of the raga. The language of Drupad changed from Sanskrit to Brij Bhasha sometimes between the 12th and the 16th century. Genesis: it is a form of devotional music that traces its origin to the ancient text of Samveda. The Samveda was chanted with the help of melody and rhythm called Samagana, Samgana, Samagana. Gradually, this developed into other vocal styles called Chanda, 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 and Prabandha, Prabandha, Prabandh, Chand and Prabandh, with introduction of verse and meter. The fusion of these two elements led to the emergence of Dhrupad. Dhrupad during medieval times. In medieval India, Dhrupad had mainly thrived under the patronage of Mughal and Rajput kings. Later it declined with the shift of interest in Khayal performance. Performance of Dhrupad is done in two parts with the Alap and Bandish. In the Alap, the singer uses syllables, Syllables, syllables from Sanskrit mantra, which add texture to the notes. The raga is slowly and methodically developed in the meditative mode. Some facts which can be asked in prelims examination. First is classical and classical Indian culture. What is that? Classification of Indian classical music. What is Dhrupad? Its evolution, key features, difference between Dhrupad and Khayal. What is Thumri? And write a note on Indian classic music and